Hello everybody, it's October the 31st, happy Halloween. Nothing spooky about this video, in fact it's not going to be a very long video at all. I've got a busy week this week doing non-bonsai things, but I just thought I would make a quick video just highlighting some of the beautiful autumn colours that my trees are giving me at the moment. This beautiful Japanese maple has gone this glorious red. We've got the bright butter yellow of this Chinese elm. We have another Japanese maple behind that, which is, well, this is Orange Dream, but it's gone this glorious shade of pink. Very attractive. And of course this little Japanese maple, which I took a photo and posted up about 3 weeks ago, how red it had gone. It's finally beginning to drop some of its leaves, but it's been hanging on to them for the longest time. Really made me happy. We have this little Zelkova, which is a glorious shade of orange. And then in contrast to all of that, if I pan across, and remembering this is just one of my benches, we have my raft style hornbeam, which is almost entirely gone dormant now. There's a couple of green leaves and a couple of yellow ones, but for the most part we've got these brown hangaroni leaves, which, well, they're quite attractive at the moment. As the winter goes on they'll get more soggy and but never mind. And then on the end here we have this triple trunk birch, which is still largely green, but beginning to turn. And over here we have a hawthorn which has been through all of its colour change and just decided to drop all its leaves all at once. So a little bit of everything. As I say, this is just one bench, and of course in back we have a green spruce which will keep green all winter, and so a little bit of colour for everything. Here's an interesting thing with this tree. This is my Persian ironwood, and for the most part it's still remaining green. There are some yellowing of the leaves on the inside of the tree for some reason. These are cuttings I took from this very tree. There are two. One is for the most part bright yellow with just a little bit of pink at the tip, and the other is almost completely pinky red. In theory, they're genetically identical to the parent plant. And I'll end this video with just a shot of my white flowered wisteria, which is in the midst of turning from that dark glossy green through to yellows and oranges, and looking very pretty for it. So I'll just say thank you so much for watching. Do all the usual YouTube things, the liking, the subscribing, the commenting below. Most of all, please stay safe everybody.